Welcome to 1340 North Taft Hill Road in Fort Collins, Colorado. This one-story ranch-style home has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath and is situated on the northwest side of Fort Collins on numerous acres of land that can be used as a horse property. The owner's cottage has a large living room, laundry hookups, and a bright kitchen. 10 by 30 loafing sheds with a large run could accommodate multiple horses, plus a 480 square foot outbuilding with concrete floor and electric hookups complements the horse setup. There's a fenced corral and open pasture spaces. Part of this property exists on the floodplain. Buyer to verify floodplain details. Buyer to verify the water tap situation. 1340 North Taft Hill Road in Fort Collins is listed by Dennis Schick of RE/MAX Alliance.